Tēnā koutou e te iwi wānui e nau mai oki mai ki te wā pārika rika tō tātou hōtaka pau tū. Nō reira, he kaupapa waka ira ira tēnei e kōrero atu nei kia Phil King, rāua tahi rā ko Sonny, ko Jonathan Murray tērā. E pāna ki tētahi kaupapa kā tū, engari, he kōrero anō tērā. Nō reira, tēnā kōrua, nau mai aramai ki te korimako o Taranaki.
Tēnā koe.
Tēnā koe. Nō reira, tēnā kōrua. I o te anō rā, te tuatahi rā, te tuku atu i te reo aroha ki a rātou mākua we atu ki te pō roto i ēnei wā o COVID-19. Rātou mā ngā mate ua o te wā, haere, haere o te atu rā, tēnā koutou e te iwi wānui nau mai oki mai ki te wai ao te ao mārama. Nō reira, ka tuku atu te pau ki a koe e Sonny, nō reira, kei a koe te wā.
Tēnā koutou. Tēnā koutou e wakarongo ki a mātou ngā reo o tātou pā a kānihi umutahi. Hana, he te pai haere te hanga o te hore hoi anō ko te raru, ana ko tēnei ko te karauna. Ana ka aukatingi atu a tātou nei kaimahi hei oti te hanga o te warera hoi anō kāre mātou i pirangi hei tūwhera te ware e kore e mutu. E kore e mutu te katoa. Te katoa.
Nō reira, koe rā te mate o te ngāngara o Delta variant. Te au katingia e rā mai hei hāpai i te hanga o te ware. Nō reira, tēnā koe Sonny. Kia koe e Phil, it's been a long time since you and I have talked, but you are the co-chair for Te Umutahi Kānihi. Nō reira, tēnā koe Phil.
Ai, tēnā koe tai. Ai, e tika, e roa. He kororo. And yes, I do speak as a co-chair. There are actually 3 chairs. One for the pā and 2 of us for the hapu. But I tautoko te kōrero of Jonathan, he raru me te kawanatanga, me ki COVID, engari. So not entirely the government's fault. It's just the situation that we're in. And we're faced with decisions that we're going to have to make sooner or later. The later we make them, the more harmful it could be for our people. So this most probably, with Jonathan and I, is most probably the first kōrero out there about what we're thinking or what we're proposing. With the support of our kuia, of course, Auntie Irene.
He mea nui tērā. Yeah. He mea nui tērā, Phil. Nō reira, I'll come back to you again. We've heard through the grapevine that the opening was going to be happening in September, in October, but obviously because of Delta variant, that's not going to happen. Tell me, how long have Umutahi Kānihi been with this project to build another ware?
Or we could, if you were to go back to the initial proposal, when we first looked at our treaty settlement and that way back before even the koroa was set up with me ngā hapu and that, the Haringa Daisy had been planning it way back then. So it's been a good 10 years plus in the making, but as we got closer to this time, we've had different people and that come on board, and there's been a far more concentrated effort. So I suppose that with the current committee and everything, they've been looking at it for stringently for the last 5 years or so. because at that stage we were looking at other areas of funding until all of a sudden the government put up that shovel ready, and we just happened to be ready, and that gave us the kick that we needed. So really from November till now, last year November, I suppose, Jonathan, till now it's been full steam ahead. And the building plan and that really got underway February this year. So we've been moving around very, very fast. And it was hoped that, as I understand it, September 24th of this month was going to be completion of the building, and October 23rd was going to be the opening. However, with COVID-4, alert level 4, now going into alert level 3 tomorrow, basically things were tight to finish by September. Now with these, it'll be 3, maybe 4 weeks. They're going to be even tighter to be finished by the middle of October. But I've contacted a couple of resources, people, contractors, and workers, and they are even saying that they're going to really be pushed by completing by that October date if things carry on the way they are. So that's left us in a position, you know. Do we roll the dice and say, oh no, let's carry on with that date, or do we be kind to our people and the rohe and make a decision sooner than later? And I think safety first and paramount. And so yeah, unfortunately, decisions will have to be made and confirmed. Right.
Ka pāpauri aere te wānau o kānehi, te umutahi kānehi kia ki te atu i tēnei āhuatanga me te tangi hotu. Koia tēnā. No reira, Sunny, ka kāro ake au ki ngā kuia ki a Auntie Irene. No reira, e roa nei te wā ka hia ia ki te wakarau ora mai te ware. Ne, Sunny?
Ai. Kāro ana kia te kuia rā, Auntie Irene. Ana, kia matau nei kuia te pau, kuia te reo. Mena ka whakaae kāre te whakaae ka whakatū wera tau ware, ana nana e whai aki tana tikanga. Kia ata hai, you know, I roto i tō mātou nei ware e wakairo. Nā ngā kai whakairo nā rātou e uru o rātou, wairu a kai roto e wēnā whakairo. Kaua e tere haere e taumahangia te rākau. O ngā nawe ngā raru e rā mea. Kia āta haere e raru i te rangi māri e. Me te aroha. Kia tūtika a tātou nei ware au.
Ai, tēnā koe. Kia rangi māri e te wā i a koutou, ne? Kia rangi māri e te wā i a koutou. Hioi anō rā, again, you know, Phil, it's really sad for the wānau not being able, and I'm not just talking about those that are at home, I'm talking about those that are afar that we're going to come back to be a part of the opening for Kānehi. You know, what do you want to say to them?
Koe, Sunny.
Kua rongo mai koe e Sunny. Kua rongo mai koe e Sunny taku nei pātai ki a Phil. Mā koe e tuku atu anō. Nā reira, o roto i enei wā ka e hara i te mea au ka tingia, tōna wā ka tū wera mai te ware ki kānei. Engari, kia rātou mā e noho tā wā e noho wā I ke me te wakaro kia hoki mai ki te kāinga mō te tū weratanga o tēnei ware, nā he aha te aroha ka tuku e koe kia rātou. E hihi ana ki te...
tino aro kia rātou a mata nei wānau I no o I tā wā, I no o I te waipau na mu e rā wāhi. Aro haina kia rātou. Hui anō, e mea mai te kuia. Me pē e te a I kā. Te mea nui ka tiaki a I kā. Nā te a I kā e no oa ki te kāinga, ki te ware. He wā anō mā rātou I tā wāhi te oki mai. Engari I oki mai rātou, me nā ka hauora mātou e kore e karauna.
Ai tēnā koe.
Ka aro haina kia rātou, hui anō, me tiaki tā mātou, nā te a I kā, ngā iwi o te maungara.
Tēnā koe. No reira, Phil, you know, and you are right, it's about looking after the workers that have to go in and do that mahi, but the difficulties around that is quite hard. What's some of those difficulties that you're facing at the moment now?
Well, I suppose even going to level 3, it still limits who can actually go in there or whether they can, because I've actually had to ring the police and I've yet to get hold of the council for clarification. But we don't come under, even though we've got contractors and buildings and everything, and builders and all that, we actually don't come under essential because we're not a infrastructure or a building that is classed as essential at the alert level, because it's only government like hospitals and those that need supermarkets and that, if they're under construction, they can carry on. But a marae being built under the law is not considered essential. So I'm trying to find out whether my understanding is no, they can't, because these workers have to come back breaking their bubbles. So you could have, theoretically, you could have one person coming onto the site, but the contractors, that they have to work in close proximity of each other and then return to their various homes, and I don't know what that means. I will say, and my heart does go out to our mahi whakaero, that young fella that's, and I'm not going to put names out there, that young fella has created his own bubble on site, away from his family, which if I had known, I most probably would have stopped, because he's put us before his family, and his family are some distance away, and he stayed on site and living there so he could continue, but in his own bubble. But he's even said to me as recently as last night, Phil, this is hard because there was 8 other carvers, including myself, and I haven't got any of them on board. So he's working around the clock to still try and reach these targets. But I'm sort of telling him, look, don't push the impossible, and I don't want no ngangara and that in the wood, you know. It's got to picture our desires and everything else. So yeah, that's where we're at with the situation. So I really technically don't know what level 3 means to us as a building. I've got to still do further inquiries, and the biggest thing is, and even you couldn't answer that, Di. Are we really going to get out of level 2 by the date that we had proposed? And that seems a long way off. And, I would hate to do it. Yeah.
You're right, Phil. I think if anything, I would assume, this is my assumption, it's not to say ka inoio, but I would assume, I would make the assumption that we would probably be seeing ourselves in level 2 right up until the end of the year.
Aye,
I
aye.
think our days of
Well,
level
I
1, yeah. I think our days of
yeah,
level 1,
and that's what.
yeah, carry on.
Yeah, and you know, she's already made the statement that she's not going to have anyone come into the country unless, you know, citizens of New Zealand under emergency situations and all that. So for that to happen, that she has to remain in level 2. And
Exactly.
I'm just looking at we've got a lot worse variant now than we had last year. And if I'm looking at last year, when we went to level 3, we were in it for 3 weeks. And then after that, we were in level 2 for 4 to 5 weeks. So that, you know, this is a worse strain. So that's going to, I don't know how much preempting it needs. I think it's, you know, it's just common sense. And I think to be safe and not ruin the whole occasion. I feel for our building committee and everything else. I really do. Because they've really pushed the boundaries. They've gone really hard. And, you know, sometimes I've not necessarily been in agreement with them. But they've soldiered on and gone through that, took adversity and everything, and now they're hit with this adversity. And someone has to make a cruel decision. And I think the decision that Jonathan and I were faced with is not so much with our people, but was with the rest of the iwi in the rohe and giving them sufficient notice and everything. And though we had put it out there to the chairpersons of each iwi unofficially, we were to make a call officially should this go ahead or not. And so I suppose it's sort of saying, not, you know, I feel for our people at home, but it's also feeling for the other iwi that we were inviting. But also that they with this travesty, they look after their home people in Kāinga first before our celebrations.
Ai, tēnā koe. Koe nā te painga o a tōna wā. Ne? A tōna wā. No reira, Sunny, aha kōko ngā pikinga me ngā ekenga, ko wai rātou e noho ana ki te komiti o roto i te ahika.
Ko wai rātou.
Ko wai rātou.
Ko te hapu. Ko te hapu, ko o umutahi. Ko rātou te ahika, atu I te komiti, atu I te ngā trustees rā, ana ko te hapu.
Ai, tēnā koe. Nō reira, ka wakaaro ake au ki a Daisy, ki tōku tuakana, a Daisy. Me te wānau Noble, Oki, e autu nei I tēnei kaupapa. Nō reira, e tika ana ki te puta atu a rātou nei ingoa, rātou e noho nei ki runga I te komiti, pērā tonu ki a koe, pērā tonu ki a koe, Phil. Nō reira, koe ia tēnā, Sunny?
Ai. Kei te whakaro ake au kia neka kia Daisy. Mea rātou mā apesi mā, a rākai, a taku nā rātou wānau, I pui a mātou nei ware, ka nihi, hui anō ko te mea nui, Kei ta haere tonu mātou tēnei ware mō ngā
Kia ora.
whakatikuranga. Mō ngā whakatikuranga.
No reira, ka wakaroa ki au ki te wānau tāmau o kira, mōhio kētia e mātou. No reira, Phil, we're coming down to the end of our kōrero, but what's the last words you want to say to the wānau? Well, take this opportunity to have your kōrero with the wānau.
Yeah, I suppose at the end of the day, my heart goes out to everyone that's been behind this project. We were really excited when it happened, but I also see, and I see in Daisy's eyes, and that she had a classic saying for everything, and in her hard case language of English, she would have said, "We wait," and she would have just said it like that, and she would want it to be the most special occasion for the pa, and that we not limit our opportunity to show off what we have done and waited for so long at the pa to do. And I took it to kōrero, Jonathan, there are a lot of the tāmau whānau, the noble whānau, even my own parents and grandparents and Jonathan's and all that have gone before us or are still here with us. But my heart goes out to all of them, and I'm very fortunate. I suppose I'm one of the last that actually lived on the road, was born on the road, and to see where it come from to where it's going today, and what these young ones have planned today. I know, some even my age and older have been planning. I take the hat off, and I just think, a little bit longer is not going to hurt us. We're a pretty perseverance lot. Kia ora mai.
Tēnā koe. No reira, ka hoki tātou ki te reo rangatira, waiho te wā ki a koe e sani.
No reira ki a koutou. Nā koutou e wakarongo mai ki a mātou ngā uri o umutahi kānehi. Hui anō, kia noho I raru I ta haumaru e koutou. Huri rauna ki tō tātou nei maunga. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā no tātou katoa.
Tēnā koe. No reira, mai te korimako o tarana ki neira mātou e mihi atu nei, te tuku atu I te reo aroha ki a koutou, te wānau wānui o umutahi kānehi. No reira, tēnā koutou E te wānau, ka rongo mai koutou ki ngā pānui e pāna ki te tū weratanga o tō tātou nei ware ki kānehi, ki umutahi kānehi, mihi kauana ki a koutou, no reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. A koa ake nei, waiho ki reira kōrua, a koa ake nei ka kōrero tāua, ia tāua anō, no reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā no tātou katoa.